Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about immigration and asylum to the United States. The United States is one of the most immigrant-receiving countries in the world. Every year, millions of people immigrate to this country in search of a better life. There are two main ways to immigrate to the United States. Immigration is a person's application to permanently settle in the United States. Immigration applications are evaluated based on factors such as the person's education level, work experience, family ties, and the political or economic situation in their country. Asylum is a person's application for refuge in the United States because they are persecuted or discriminated against in their home country. Asylum applications are based on the person's ability to prove human rights violations in their country. There are several ways to immigrate to the United States. Some of the most common ones are immigration through family ties. It is possible to immigrate to the United States as a family member of a U.S. citizen or lawful permanent resident. Immigration through employment. People who receive a job offer in the United States can apply for immigration. Immigration through education. Students who are admitted to a university or graduate program in the United States can apply for immigration. Diversity visa. Each year, the United States distributes diversity visas to people from different countries around the world. This visa offers an opportunity to people who want to immigrate to the United States regardless of factors such as education level and work experience. To apply for asylum in the United States, a person must first enter the United States legally. This can be done by air, sea, or land. To apply for asylum, a person must complete Form I-589, Application for Asylum and Withholding of Removal, with the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS). This form requires the person to provide evidence that they are persecuted or discriminated against in their home country. Asylum applications are evaluated by USCIS. If the application is successful, the person is granted refugee status. Refugees who are granted status are eligible to live and work permanently in the United States. Immigrating or seeking asylum to the United States is a complex process. It is important to do your research and seek professional help to complete the process successfully. To apply for immigration or asylum, you can visit the USCIS website or consult with an immigration attorney. Here are some of the most frequently asked questions about immigration and asylum to the United States. Here are some of the most frequently asked questions about immigration and asylum to the United States. There is no age limit for immigration to the United States. However, people under the age of 18 must be represented by their parents or guardians. How much money do I need to immigrate to the United States? The cost of immigration to the United States varies depending on the type of visa the person is applying for and the support services they use during the application process. In general, immigration applications can cost several $1,000s. What languages do I need to know to immigrate to the United States? There is no official language in the United States. However, knowing English will make the immigration process and living in the United States easier.